Hello and welcome back to the PokeDesk. Today, we got those. So we got 8 Fusion Strike, we got 8 Astral Radiance, and we got Silver Tempest. These were all picked up loose, so we have no idea what they came from, if they've been tampered with, if there's anything wrong with them at all. We're gonna find out. Hopefully there isn't. Alright, we're gonna bring this big old honker stack down here in the corner. There you go, guys. Now it's viewable. There we go. And we will get right into the first one. Let's see if it's from the reprint first of all. It is from the reprint, but that's a black code card. Okay, yep. This is not gonna work. Okay, we'll stick the corner in there. There. Bam. And we get a Zorora non-hollow, which means that the code card meant nothing. Okay. Start a stack for Fusion Strike today. I am taking a break from Paldea Evolved. Needed a break. There's no guarantee that this opening will be any luckier. Oh man, and then this one's not going to be from the reprint. Black code card again. So hopefully that actually means something. And we get the Pikachu V. I am perfectly okay with that. We will always take a Pikachu. Bam. For anyone who watched last week's video, my kitty is all good. He recovered well. And he is a little bit less rambunctious, so we'll take our wins. You might not hear as much rattling in the background of videos. I think that was our second pack. No, we're just going to pretend that they all are not going to be reprints. There we go, perfect. What we got? What do we got? Ooh, and we get the Gorobus. I feel like I knew how to say that at one point, but I've lost it. Alright, we got 5 more Fusion Strike packs left. Then we'll be into Astral Radiance, who hasn't been able to give me anything good lately. So, I expect it to pull through today. And we get the Latios non-hollow. Halfway through the Fusion Strikes now. We got 22 packs in total today. So, you guys know. Alright. No, nothing. I just said the cats were going to be more quiet. That's only if they so decide to be, I suppose. There you go. Reprint again. Weird. We'll take it though. It's the Boltund VMAX. I have pulled him quite a few times, but we will take a VMAX all day long. Just like electric types today. Love it. Been a while since I pulled a VMAX. I don't know, maybe it hasn't. You guys can tell me. Oh, there is our last top loader. If we pull anything else in this entire video, which I hope we do, we're gonna have to open some more top loaders. I got a box right here. And we got the clear sleeves again. I didn't say that, so we are back in full PokeDesk form. Not that there was anything wrong with the Nintendo-produced sleeves. No, nothing on that one. We got kitty cats walking around. This is the last pack of Fusion Strike. Which we see we get a black code card. Hopefully that gives us something good. One alt art, please. Ooh, and we get the Cinderace V. So 2 Vs and a VMAX from 8 packs. And we didn't know if there was going to be jack anything in this one. So, in any of these packs. Yeah. Oop, I went for the double sleeve. Hey, we got to open the top loaders. Alright. Put those up there. Sorry. If you see me keep looking, it's because my cat is currently messing with the flowers I bought my wife. My cat's the one that'll leave flowers alone. We're into the first Astral Radiance pack here. Code card for y'all. Let's get some trainer galleries, please. Nothing on the first one. Nothing on the first one. That's okay. Oh man, I need to get like a camera for the living room, so that way when the cats are being crazy, I can switch to it and show you guys for a second. Ooh, show you guys for a second what they're up to. And we get the Frostmoth Trainer Gallery. I will take that, and a Regigigas Hollow behind it. I will definitely take the Frostmoth though. Sometimes you hear noises, especially when you have animals. You're just like, I hope that's not my animal doing something. And I'm sorry if I just hit the microphone. I'm not sure if I did or not. Alright. We still have another 6 packs of Astral Radiance to go, so let's keep the luck flowing. Nothing on that one. That's okay. Alright. Keep going, keep going. Mightyena. And that is it, but we will take the Mightyena. That is one of my favorite trainer galleries from this one. Looking at the cake of himself, just going, what the? I love it. Okay, sorry. Okay, we are rolling 2 trainer galleries. We'll more than happily take that. Here, we'll move that one over. Let's keep rolling. Code card for you guys. Come on, keep that luck flowing. Nothing on that one. That's okay. That's okay. Let's see how many more Astral Radiance we got. We got 3 more Astral Radiance, and then we're into the Silver Tempest. We only got 6 Silver Tempests, but 6 may be all we need. Looks like I spy something in here. I may be wrong. And we get the Starmie V. It just got me to thinking, I still have yet to get the Starmie Trainer Gallery. So that would be cool at some point to get that one. It is a really cool Trainer Gallery card. Of course, everybody loves that one, so there's no surprise there that I want it. 2 more packs. Maybe it'll give it to us today. Maybe it wants to be nice to me. Code card? I think I see something again. Ooh, the Luxray V Full Art. That is a pull. That right there is a pull. We get something today, guys. Look at that pattern in the background. Looks like it's got electricity just flowing out. Nah. And I do not have this full art either, so Major win. Major win. Boom. Let's see if we can fill up the last row. This is our last pack of Astro Radiance. I mean, is it greedy for me to say, come on, give me another pull? Do I see something? Do I see something in there? Am I losing it? And we get the Rainbow Roxanne. Look at that patterning in the back on that one. Well, I think it's safe to say that none of these packs were tampered with. Oh man, that's sweet. Yeah, but very unexpected. Very unexpected. Last thing I thought was I was going to get a rainbow today. Dang, okay. Well, that's a perfect card to start off the final row here. Alright, we are getting into Silver Tempest now. Got 6 of these to get lucky. Go card for you guys. Not on that one, guys. Not on that one. Still got 5 more, though. Plus, I think Astro Radiance was so good to us, we can't really complain at this point. It's been bad to us lately, so I will take that win. I've had plenty of luck from Silver Tempest, so if it wants to shaft me today, I'm okay with that. Actually, it wouldn't bother me at all today. I am thoroughly happy with the opening already. No. See, I got this spidey sense now that the rest of these we can just kind of chug through. Go card. Yep. 2 more packs left, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video. Comment if you ever want to talk to me. I will respond. Oh, okay. There we go. Ooh. I have not pulled that one. We do get the Rapidash hollow behind it, but I have not pulled the Superior V Trainer Gallery card. I like that a lot. I did. Well, I guess my spidey sense was completely wrong, huh, guys? Oh, the texturing and the mountain in the background. No complaints, guys. No complaints today. If I could find deals like this more often. Oh, man. Alright. Last pack. We don't deserve it, but I want it. Can we get some last pack magic? Please and thank yous. Come on. Come on. No, we get the Milotic non-hollow. Oh man, that was way more of a roller coaster than I thought it was going to be. I did not expect to get lucky today. I did not. Well, let's get into it. If you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe. There is the Superior V with the Roxanne. Oh, sorry about my cat hair. So it's not even up here, and somehow still got it in the opening. Got the Roxanne Rainbow Rare. Sorry, we got the Full Art Luxury V. We got the Starmie V, We get the Mightyena Trainer Gallery, the Frostmoth Trainer Gallery, Cinderace V, Boltund VMAX, and the Pikachu V. That's a pretty dang good lineup. I think Roxanne's probably going to take the cake because I'm a Trainer Gallery guy. I really do like that Superior, though. And can't forget the Luxray. So the 2 Trainer Galleries. Okay, yeah, you guys get the gist. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. I will catch you on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye now.